How to fix the issue with Capital One application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Capital One application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, what you need to do is simply head towards Google Play Store and check whether the update is required or not. Once you search for Capital One application, you will see the option of update beside it if there is any available of new version. After that, what you need to do is head towards the setting of Capital One. You simply need to tap and hold on the app icon and there you will see the option of app info. Simply click on it and then you will be directed to its setting page. There you will see the option of storage. Simply click on it and there you will find the option of clear cache. Simply choose that option and you will be able to clear all the cache for Capital One. As sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance of the application. And that's it. After following all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to reinstall the Capital One application in your device and try logging in again. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.